Welcome to Stock Trades. In this video, we're going to be talking about the insider selling regarding the AMC stock. I just created a video literally yesterday talking about why I believe the AMC stock is trash. I've received a lot of bad messages and I also received death threats. It just cares to show you that a lot of these AMC bag holders are willing to say anything in order for you to buy so you can raise the price so they can sell off to you. If you can't take my word for it, go ahead and look and let's see right now directly what the insiders are doing. If you don't believe me, go to the United States Securities and Exchange Commission here. Look at the SEC Form 4, okay? Go ahead, look at Kevin here. He went ahead, he's the SVP of General Counsel, and he sold 50,000 shares of AMC at $15 approximately. And now he's only holding 4,000 shares. He literally sold 92% of his shares. And if you want to know what that price is, Alexa, 50,000 times 15.
50,000 times 15 is 750,000.
He sold literally $750,000 literally on March 8th. Okay. And this is not the only insider selling. Let's go ahead and take a look at the other one here. We have this particular person here. He is the EVP and Chief Marketing Officer. Look at the amount here. 69,000 shares sold. And guess how much this person has left? Zero. If you guys don't know how to read this, just look up here. Securities acquired A, disposed D, and they just disposed in the trash 69,000 shares. If they actually had high conviction of a short squeeze, since they're insiders, they know the intricacies of the equation here. Why are they selling shares? Alexa, 69,000 times 15.59.
69,000 times 15.59 is 1,075,710.
1,075,000. That's $1 million over that this particular person sold. Well, guess what? We're not done yet. We got another insider here. This particular insider went ahead. He's the EVP, Chief Operating and I believe Development Officer is what that stands for. Sold another 50,000 shares. Only has less than 4,000 shares left at $15.58. Guys, they know that 90% of retail baboons are essentially buying up this stock and they're selling them to you. You know why? Because a share dilution is coming. Why are you in the stock? You have to ask yourself. I received a lot of comments that, hey, this is not a fundamental play. This is a short squeeze play. Well, if that's the case, look at their short-term debts. A lot of YouTubers out there are saying, well, they have enough cash to pay off their short-term debts. Well, if they do that, they only have $80 million of cash left. Do you really think a company with $80 million is supposed to be trading at $7 billion market cap? The answer is no. And if you think so, then you're going to lose a lot of money. Look at the long-term assets here. If you compare the long-term assets with long-term liabilities, they need money. These companies is at risk of going bankrupt. And you guys are going to end up getting diluted. And what's going to end up happening is the share price is going to be cut in half. And what's going to happen is you have to ask yourself, are you in it for the long term? Long term, fundamentally, if they were to go ahead and rebuild and build out, then of course, fundamentally, the stock price should hover around anywhere between $10 to $30. But other than this whole short squeeze thing, for all the new apes out there, you guys are going to end up basically getting your money taken away from you. What they want to do is they want to hype you up and essentially make the price go up. People buy at $40, $50. There's people that are stuck holding the bag at $60, $70 because the same apes that riled it up around 10 to 15 sold it to you. And now here you have literally proof that insiders are basically selling the AMC stock. I mean, I don't know what more to ask and more to prove from you. This is from the United States Securities and Exchange Commission. What more solid proof do you guys need? I mean, this is crystal as clear as water. But you know what? There's going to be people out here. Oh, this is spreading FUD. Oh, listen, I've been doing this for 10 years and I want to be able to help the community and be able to show you guys the data here. If you look right now at the weekly technical analysis, this is utilizing our artificial intelligence technology. Literally, you can have access to any stock ticker you want. It helps you tremendously. There'll be a link down below. Take a look at this right now. We broke the $15.06 support. The next level of support now is $9.33. And if we break that, it'll be $5.59. Listen, guys. this is very clear. This stock is going down because a dilution is coming. Okay. And there's a lot of AMC bag holders that said, I'm walking away if there's a dilution. They're going to get emotional. And listen, an investment is an investment, and you should have taken the risks. Now, for all the new people out there, or all the people that have cut their losses higher, thank yourself for doing that. If you look at the calls and puts, listen, guys, the puts are overwhelmingly dominating right now. And for all the algo traders out there, the algo score is heading down along with the stock price. This is a bearish sentiment regarding the AMC stock. Even on the 1 day, if you want to analyze, look at that downward direction on the algo score. If you guys, again, want access to this and all other tickers, you could just search on our literally app. You can go ahead and go down there and you can get access to it in our Patreon group for under $10 a month. Normally, this is $200 a month. Listen, guys, with the federal chairman, Jerome Powell, speaking on Wednesday, we're going to have an increase in interest rates. The monetary asset purchasing that they did at $120 billion annual, and AKA the money go burr for all the apes out there, that's coming out. That's not happening right now, guys. The market being propped up by all this nonsense is starting to get re-solidified. And now the big boys are calling the shots. You want to go ahead and continue to hold and double down? Be my guest. But for all the new apes out there, I highly suggest that you be careful and watch yourself. Likewise, here is our Patreon group. I highly recommend you checking it out. Hit the show more and your computer would go down. Literally, there's a lot that we offer. Anyways, God bless you. Please stay safe and please invest safe.